Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Huawei Pura 70 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your app gallery. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on Me and there scroll down and choose Settings option, where we have our access and there we have PG3. To fix our problem we need to change it from maybe node. There enter connect pin to change it, confirm by OK and OK again. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again. And it is visible right now and we can download it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!